Have you all done question 5, 6, 7, 8 of 9.4?
Yes, sir, I have done. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Exercise 9.4. Yeah. So any doubt, anyone? If you want, I can tell you any of the parts if you want. 5, 6, 7, or 8, any of the parts. If you want to ask. Yes, please. You can ask if you have any doubt. All of you. Any part? No one? No doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
No doubt.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Shall we start the exercise now? Exercise 9.5.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All are ready?
Sir, please
Yes,
wait
sir.
for 1 minute.
Yes. What are you doing?
Sir, please
Sir,
wait
I
for
am
2
taking
minutes.
out
I
my
have to
books
do
and notebooks
7th
and
and
papers.
8th of
Please wait
revision.
for 1 minute.
Beta, why have you not done them in homework? You don't study maths at home, matlab, other than the regular classes. You don't do any homework, any practice of maths at home. Rishika?
Sir, I have done all but only 2 are left.
All of you, this is, I'm telling to all. Class 5C, practicing in maths is very, very important. It is good that you are attending classes and you are giving your best in the classes. I know you all are doing your best, but doing the self practice in mathematics, doing self practice in maths.
Sir, I am doing self-practice, but I forgot to do this.
I'm not particularly talking about you. I'm talking to all the students. This is my suggestion to all of you, that do self practice in maths at least for 45 minutes, 1 hour self practice, other than the regular school classes. Other than that, okay. Revise what the teacher has taught that day. Revise it daily. You follow this routine and then do some extra questions also from your own side. Okay, so now we are starting with exercise 9.5. Yeah, A part of the exercise. First question. You have to divide 12.61 by 10. Now, this type of division we are doing for the first time. We are in this exercise we will learn how to divide numbers, by numbers like 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, this we will learn in this exercise. So we have already done multiple.
Book or notebook?
Sorry. Yeah.
Sir, book or notebook?
Better in the book.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So we have done multiple.
Sir, you have to do this in the book?
Yes, beta, you have to do the questions in the book.
Okay, sir.
So we have already done multiplication of decimal numbers by numbers like 10, 100, 1000. So in multiplication, very carefully listen all of you. In the case of multiplication, you move the decimal to the right side. In case of division, when you are dividing a number, suppose by 10, you will move the decimal to the left side. If you are dividing by 10, you will move one place to the left side. And if you are dividing by 100, you will move the decimal two place to the left side. So very simple. So what will be your answer? It is 12.61. You move the decimal one place to the left side. It becomes 1.261. 1.261 is your answer. Got it?
Sir, this we have to do in book.
In the book. अरे मर गए कैसे बच्चे हैं यार? At least 4 times you have done. You have asked. You have to do these in your books. 4.23 divided by 10. डरा देते हैं तुम लोग. डरा देते हैं तुम लोग मुझे. 4.23 divided by 10. Now, again, the divisor is 10. How many places we should move the decimal, and to which side, right side or left side? And how many places?
Left side, one digit.
One digit.
Left side, one digit.
So point
Left side. Left side.
0.423 is the answer. Can I write it as 0.423? Or only 0.423?
Sir.
You can write it.
Correct.
You can
Good
write
morning, sir.
Good morning, beta.
So what we are doing?
Welcome. You can watch the video. Just listen. We are doing exercise 9.5. Listen very carefully.
Okay, sir.
Do what I am explaining. You will get it. So 0.423. You can also write it as 0.423. Both the things are correct. Both ways are correct. Third one. 66.83 divided by 100. Now the number is 100. The divisor is 100. How many places we should move the decimal, and to which side, left side or right side, and how many?
Left side, two digits.
Places to the
Left side, 2 digits.
2 digits to the left side. Okay, jump off 2 digits to the left side. 0.6683. Jump मार के decimal पहुंच गया 0.6683. और
Sir, we have to do this in copy or book?
अरे मर गए मैं संन्यास ले लूंगा पढ़ाने से.
In notebook.
अरे मर गए लोग नोटबुक.
We have to do in book.
We have to do.
Wherever you like, you can do it. Wherever you like. Okay. And please stop asking questions like this. You are in class 5 now. बहुत छोटे बच्चे हो क्या? Sir, where we have to do in the book or in the copy. You are now not that small children that you have to ask these type of questions that we have to do in the book or in the copy. You can decide on your own now. Okay. Now, question number 4, 5, 6 you have to do on your own. Question 4, 5, 6.
Sir, I have done all, but only 12 I am not able to understand.
No problem. I am there. So I am telling you the answers of 4, 5 and 6. You verify your answers. Question 4. The answer is.
Sir, I know all that.
Question 4. The answer is 16.5871. Check your answer. Fifth one.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Very good. Fifth one, the answer is 0.7.
Mine is also correct.
0.781. Fifth one. Okay, please don't tell if your answer is correct or even if, yeah. If it is wrong, if you have not understood something, you can tell. If it is correct, I know it is correct. You all have done correctly. So please, there is no need to tell.
Sir, please tell the answer of fourth one.
Fourth one is 16.5871. Got it?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sixth one. Now the sixth one. You have to divide by 1000. So you will move the decimal 3 places to the left. Answer will be 0.542428. Sorry, 0.52428. 0.452428. Again, 0.452428. This is the answer. Seventh one I will be doing on the board. Everyone, and please don't ask me have to do this in the book or in the copy. You have to decide on your own. कहाँ करना है? 14.372 divided by 1000. 1000 has how many zeros?
Sir, 3.
3 zeros.
Sir, 3.
Decimal should move to the left side and it will take a jump of how many digits?
3
digits.
3.
Okay. So, but there are only 2 digits in the number on the left side of the decimal. There are only 2 digits. So, what to do now? It will easily jump 2 places. But what about the third one? You will add another 0. 014 372 0.014. So these are the 3 places. 014 0.014 372. Got it? How to make the decimal jump 3 places? 0.014. And in the starting also you can add another 0. So 0.014 372. This is the answer. Eighth one, again of the same type, 52.208. 52.208 divided by 1000. Again, it will jump 3 places. So 052.052208. 0.052208, or you can write it as 0.052208. Do the 9th, 10th and 11th. 12th one I will be doing on the board.
Sir, I understood 12th also.
Very good. Okay, Rishika, tell me the answer of the 9th one.
Sir, 0.107.
0.107. Correct answer. Very good. Ishika is there? Ishika Mittal?
I know all the answers.
Yes.
Ishika Mittal is there?
Yes, sir.
Beta, tell me the answer of the 10th one.
Sir, I am doing.
You are doing? Okay.
Sir, can I tell the...
Sir, I have done the A part of exercise 9.5.
Wait, beta. Wait.
Sir, 10th answer is 0.03562.
0.03. Correct answer.
62. Sir, is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Again, all of you, please listen the answer of the 10th one. Check your answers. 0.03462. 0.03462.
Sir, is the answer of 12th one is 0.00937?
Yes. Vivan. Vivan Agarwal.
Yes, sir.
Give me the answer of the 11th one.
Sir, 0.0887.
Very good. 0.0. Correct answer. 12th one.
Sir, it is compulsory to write 0 before
Can
the
I
point.
tell the 12th one answer?
Sir, can I tell the 12th one?
It is
So
not,
can I tell the 12th one?
not compulsory.
Sir, can I tell the 12th one? Okay, sir.
0.937 divided by. So before the decimal, you can see there is no digit. 0 is no digit. Okay. If it is
0.00937.
starting of the number, that means there is no digit. So you have to move the decimal 2 places to the left side. So what you have to do? Add 2 zeros.
0.00937.
0.00937 is your answer. If you want, you can write in the starting also. 0.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Sir, mine answer. Sir, mine all are
Sir,
correct.
my all
Sir, my
answers
all
are
answer is correct.
So my all answers are correct.
Okay.
Sir, Abhiraj is all correct.
Very good. All of you, please give your attendance in the chat box.
Sir, I have given my attendance.
Okay.
Sir, I also.
I have given my attendance.
Very good.
Sir, given the attendance.
Okay. You all are very quick in giving the attendance.
Sir, given the attendance.
How can you write your names?
Given the attendance. Sir, we have to write the name in the chat box.
Yes. Write your name in the chat box.
Sir, given the attendance.
Okay.
Sir, given the attendance.
Very good, very good, very good. Let's move on to the next question. Question number B. Question B. 6.4
Sir, we have to do it.
multiplied by, in the book, again the same question has come. Finally, again, return of the question.
10.
जैसे मूवीज के सेकंड पार्ट बनते हैं वैसे
100.
बेटा रुको 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 बेटा
10. Sir, 10.
now this
Sir, 10.
in this question you have to multiply.
Sir, 10.
Okay, wait all of you, let me explain.
Sir, 10.
Beta, wait all of you, please wait for me to explain the question.
Sir, we have to do in the
0.4 multiplied by what is equal to 64. This is the question. You have to fill in this box. So you can see the decimal has moved only one place. Only one place. Yes or no? It has moved one place. That is why the answer is 64. 6.4 से answer क्या आ गया 64. That means the decimal has moved only one place to the right side. That means you have to multiply. This is clear. We have to multiply because the decimal is moving to the right side. So in the answer, the decimal has moved to the right side and it has moved only one place. That is why we will multiply the number by 10 to get answer 64. So 10 will come in the
not able to understand.
बेटा मुझे बताओ 6.4 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? Do you know multiplication?
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो multiply 6.4 by 10. Decimal multiplication. What will be your answer? 6.4 multiplied by 10. Decimal will move to the right side or to the left side if you are multiplying. किसने पूछा था?
Yes sir, 64 ही होगा आंसर.
64 आएगा ना? 64.
Okay, sir.
Got it. That is why what should be the answer here? It should be
10.
Okay.
Okay.
So you have to think like this कि मुझे क्या यहाँ पे भरना चाहिए so that the answer should come this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
थोड़ा सा दिमाग यूज करना है, ज़्यादा नहीं करना है.
Yes, sir, I was about to say these are brainy questions.
Sir, can I tell the answer number?
Second one.
So can I?
3.78.
14.04 multiplied
100. 100.
The answer is 100.
equal to 1/4.
Yes, sir.
Sir, answer is 100.
100.
Decimal has moved 2 places to the right side. Decimal खत्म हो गया, देख लीजिए. There is no decimal. That means it has moved 2 places to the right side. अब इसको 2 place का jump कराने के लिए we should multiply the number by 100.
100.
100 is the answer. 100. 3. Third part of the question.
Sir, can I tell the answer of the third one?
Yes, beta, tell the answer.
Sir, मैं कल का
3.78.
3.7.
Correct answer.
3.7.
3.7.
3.78.
Very good, very good, very good, very good.
3.78.
Oh, great. Oh, great. 37.8.
The answer for
Which number multiplied by 10 gives you 37.8?
378.
3.78.
3.78 is the answer.
3.78.
78. If you multiply
3.78.
think like this now. Just check your answer whether your answer is right or not. Just verify your answer.
Sir, it is correct.
8 is
Sir,
multiplied
next
Sir,
by
it is correct.
3.78. If multiplied by 10, it will give you what? Just check your answer. It will give you decimal will move right side.
37.8.
Sir, fourth one, can I tell? Sir, fourth one, can I tell?
Is your answer correct now?
The fourth one.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can
Yes,
I
sir. Fourth one, can I tell?
The fourth one?
answer
Sir,
number
can I tell?
Fourth one is
Sir, can I tell?
2.677.
2.6.
I can tell
fourth one. 2.677. The answer of fourth one is 2.667.
2.double.
Now you all tell me the answer. Now tell me the answer, all of you. All of you together tell me the answer. I'm not able to hear you all. But you are able to hear me. I'm sure. Mics on नहीं हो रहे हैं? बेटा I mean to say why I have done this. It does not look good when all of you are answering together. So one by one I will be asking you and then you answer. Don't be very excited. One by one I will be asking you. Yes, I have disabled the mics. Now I am enabling again. So you can unmute yourself only when I ask you the question. Okay. So now the one who is going to answer is fourth one. The student who will give the answer is It is. Adhiraj Sharma is there? Adhiraj Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Beta, give me the answer of the fourth one.
Sir, the fourth answer is 2.667.
2.677. Very good answer. Correct. 2.677 is your answer of the fourth one. May I do it on the board or ऐसे ही बता दी orally? 2.677 when multiplied by 100 gives you 267.7. So if I write 2.677 here in the box, you will get the answer 267.7. So your answer is correct. Fifth one, only the student whom I asked is going to answer. Okay, you can show me your hand raised and keep your videos on. I will ask, keep your videos on. Yeah, I can see Nandini. Nandini, beta, answer. Give me the answer of the fifth one.
The answer of fifth one is 1000.
Sorry, you are not audible again.
The answer of fifth one is 1000.
Fifth one, the answer is 1000. Correct answer. Very good. Okay, so you all can check your answers. Fifth one, the answer is 1000. Any doubt in this?
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir, all correct.
The students are very chalak. They are able to do it very easily. Very chalak students sitting in the class. Okay, the next one who's going to answer is Lavanya Bhojwani. Where is Lavanya? Yes, here it is. Here she is.
Sir, the answer of sixth one is 13.674.
13.674 when multiplied by 1000 is 13,674. Correct answer. 13.674. Very good. 13.67.
You're all correct.
All correct. Do the C question also, and then we are going to discuss the answers. I hope you all can do it. C.
Sir, can you tell me how to?
Yes, I will give you some examples. C. See the C. See the C. See the C. I mean, C question C. C question C. Question C. First part. 4.6 multiplied by what? Sorry, divided by what? Divided by
100.
what gives you 0.46. Wait. Have patience. How many places the decimal has jumped? How many places? Only one place.
Sir,
So 10 or 100? 10.
100.
Arey, 10. Beta, the decimal has moved only one place.
sir, 10.
10 is the answer.
Yes. Oh, yes, sir. 10.
It has moved only one place, na? Decimal. 4 के आगे था, 4 के पीछे आ गया, बस. Only one place the decimal has moved. So therefore the answer is 10. Now you all try all these parts.
Done. Sir, I have done all the questions.
Don't just shout the answers. Just wait for me to call out your name.
Sir, Adhiraj Sharma done all.
And then you can answer when I call out your name. So many videos for today have already come. 23, 23, 23, 23, 23. 7B, 5B, 7C, 7A, 5A.
So now you tell the correct answer. I have done all.
Very good. So, are you all ready?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have completed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
I am
sir.
ready.
Yes, sir. Ready. Yes, sir. Ready.
Yes, sir. Ready.
So, be ready with your hands raised. I am going to call the student. I'm going to call the name of the student who is going to answer. Atish Singh. Where is Atish? Atish. First, let me find you. Atish, wait. Yeah, here you are. Your video is not on, Atish. Switch on your video, Atish Singh.
I can't hear what you are saying.
Switch on your video.
Sir, now I can hear. 1 second, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yeah. Hairstyle सही कर लो पहले अपना. Now you are looking good. Now you can switch on the video.
Yes, sir.
You are looking very cute. Now you can answer. Yes. Give me the answer of the second part of question C. Second part question C.
Sir, it is 100.
It is 100. Absolutely correct answer. Very good. Very nice. Okay, thank you. You can now switch off your video. And again, uncomb your hairs. Uncomb. Is that a word? Okay, the next one. Next one. Third part. The answer of the third part will be given by Tejas Kumar. Let me find Tejas Kumar first. Where is Tejas Kumar? Here he is. Tejas Kumar, switch on your video. Where is Tejas Kumar? Come here. Tejas Kumar. Keep your videos on, all of you. Tejas Kumar. Wait, beta Tejas Kumar, I am not able to find your video. Where you are?
Sir, he is not in the meeting.
He is there in the meeting. Hurry.
Tejas Kumar left the meeting.
Left the meeting. जैसे मैं नाम लिया, he's left.
You can search on the participant also.
Okay, he is not there. Yes.
Can I speak?
Okay.
Now only
Rupanshi, beta. Wait, just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Wait, let me find you where you are. Rupanshi, your video is on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just wait.
Sir, I tell the third answer, huh?
Yes, third one. Wait. Don't answer. Let me find you. Yes, here you are. Now, Rupanshi,
56.
the answer of the third one.
56.7.
Perfect. Excellent. Answer is 56.7. Very good. Great. Okay, next one. Shaurya Saxena. Where is Shaurya Saxena? Shaurya Saxena. Where is Shaurya Saxena?
Yes, sir. I am here.
Yes, Shaurya Saxena. Beta, now give me the answer of fourth one.
1000.
Okay, 810.26 when divided by 1000 is 0.81026. Absolutely correct. Very good. Excellent. Correct answer. All of you, please check the answer. 812026. How do you get this? If you divide 810.26 by 1000. So 1000 will come in the box. 1000. Okay, I can see Ayushman Rana raising his hand. Ayushman Rana, where is Ayushman Rana? Yeah, जैसे मैं नाम लेता हूँ वैसे बच्चा
मैं भी कर रहा हूँ, मेरा भी हाथ देख लीजिए.
ये कहाँ गया यार? ये yes, मिल गया. Wait. Ayushman, yes. Yeah, you're looking good, Ayushman. Now you tell me the answer of the fifth one.
0.0091763.
Beta, you are dividing the number which is there in the right hand side of the equation by 1000, but you have to do the opposite. Now tell
917.63.
9176.3. 9176.3. Okay.
Sir, can I tell the sixth one?
Okay. Karthik Khandelwal. Wait, beta, wait. Sorry, beta. Sorry, Ayushman, beta. Have you checked? Have you corrected your answer? Anyone who has
Yes,
done some mistake, I hope you all are checking your answers. Fifth one, I am writing it on the board.
Yes, sir, I am checking.
Yeah. So fifth one, I am writing the answer on the board. Box.
Taking.
9176.3. Now you just, how will you check your answer? You divide this by 1000. Just divide this number by 1000. What will happen? The decimal will move 3 places to the left and your answer will be 9.1763. 9.1763. So now you can verify. That means this is correct. Okay. Now Karthik will give the answer of the sixth one.
Okay, sir. The sixth one answer is 543.8.
The answer is 543.8. Correct answer. Absolutely correct. Very good. 543.8. All of you check your answers. 543.8.
Sir, correct answer. Sir, all correct.
Sir, my all
Answers are correct.
Sir, all correct.
my all answers.
Sir, all correct.
All correct. Very good. You can clap for yourself. Karthik Khandelwal is looking, he was dancing.
Sir, all correct.
Told him that his answer is correct. He was looking very cute. I wanted to come to his home and pull his cheeks. Okay, very good, all of you. Here the class ends for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.